Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel Ibrahim Teddy, and guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this lock and loaded plane at home, and this is how it looks. And this is designed by John M. Collins. And now let's get started. Guys, this lock and loaded plane is a glider, so it glides like this in the air. And to make this lock and loaded plane, I am using a A4 size paper over here, and you can even use a colored paper or 8.5 by 11 inches paper too. So first you need to align the shorter edge over here to the opposite side like this, and align this line to this line over here like this. And guys, don't fold the longer edge. So then you need to unfold the paper, and now you need to align this line to this line over here just like this, and crease it sharply. And do the same for the opposite side. And now you need to fold this flap, but it should touch this point and this point over here like this. And then crease it sharply, and do the same for the opposite side. And guys, then you need to turn the paper like this, and now you need to fold the right triangle like this, and it should align this line to this line over here just like this. And it's fine if there is a little bit of gap over here, but don't tear the paper over here, and crease it. And do the same for the left hand side, and it should touch the corner over here. Then and guys, now you need to fold this corner to this line in the middle over here like this, and there should be about this much of length, and then crease it sharply. And now unfold, and now you need to turn the paper on this line over here like this, and just make this crease sharp, and then just turn it like this. And crease it, and now flip the paper like this, and fold this triangle like this, and crease it over here like that. And now you need to open this pocket over here and squash it down like this, and then crease it and flatten it out. It should be very neat. And now you need to fold this corner to this corner over here just like this. And then crease it sharply. And now you need to fold the other half behind like this it will be a little tricky because there are many layers of the paper. And then just flatten it out completely. And now you need to fold the winglet, this wing, and you need to fold this wing straight like this. And to do that, you need to make the line from this point and straight to this line over here, like this. And crease it very sharply. And then just turn the paper like this and keep it down. And then do the same. You can just touch this corner to this corner over here. And then crease it sharply. And now just open this wing up and just check if it's straight from this point to this line over here. If it's a little bit slanting also, the plane won't fly well and it will fall down again and again. And now turn the paper like this and fold both the wings down. And now you need to fold this point to this line over here, like this. And then crease it and do the same behind on the other wing. And crease it. And now open both the wings and the dihedrals. And guys, just see from the behind, the dihedral or the they should be straight like this. They should not be like this, or curved like this. It should be completely straight like that. And the other dihedral too. And you can just turn it and crease everything sharply again, all the folds. And guys, our lock and loaded plane is ready. And guys, to make it fly, you can just hold over here and then just throw it like this. And guys, it will fly, and if it comes down like this, it falls again and again. You can just make some space over here like this. You can just slide this up. And then you can throw, and it should work. So thank you guys for watching this video of this lock and loaded plane. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.